Hey there. So you're eager to make money online but haven't built a massive following yet? No problem. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore effective strategies to help you earn money online, even if you're just starting out. First up, freelancing. Freelancing offers a plethora of opportunities to monetize your skills and expertise. Here's how to get started. Identify your skills. Take inventory of your skills and expertise. Are you a writer, graphic designer, programmer, marketer, or have other valuable skills? Create a profile. Sign up on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Craft a compelling profile that showcases your skills, experience, and portfolio. Start bidding. Browse through available projects and submit proposals that align with your skills. Tailor each proposal to the specific needs of the client to increase your chances of winning projects. Secondly, we have online marketplaces. Online marketplaces provide diverse avenues for making money online. Consider the following options. Sell handmade goods. Platforms like Etsy allow you to showcase and sell your handmade or vintage items to a global audience. Invest time in creating high-quality products and optimizing your listings for search visibility. Dropshipping. Launch an e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify and leverage dropshipping to sell products without managing inventory. Research trending products, establish relationships with reliable suppliers, and focus on customer service to build a sustainable business. Offer services. Platforms such as TaskRabbit or Thumbtack enable you to offer a wide range of services, from virtual assistants to home repair. Identify services you excel at and create detailed listings to attract potential clients. Then we have online surveys and microtasks. While not a primary source of income, online surveys and microtasks can provide supplementary earnings. Here's how to make the most of them. Sign up with survey websites. Register with reputable survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. Complete your profile and explore available earning opportunities. Complete tasks. Engage in tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, or participating in market research studies. Pay attention to task requirements and time commitments to optimize your earnings. Cash out your earnings. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, redeem your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or other payment methods offered by the platform. And last but not least, content creation. Content creation presents lucrative opportunities to monetize your skills and knowledge. Consider the following avenues. Write and sell ebooks or courses. Share your expertise by creating ebooks or online courses on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Udemy. Research market demand, outline compelling content, and leverage multimedia elements to enhance engagement. Freelance writing. Pitch articles to online publications, blogs, or websites that accept guest contributions. Tailor your pitches to the publication's audience and editorial guidelines, and deliver high-quality content to establish credibility and attract paid opportunities. Stock photography. Monetize your photography skills by selling images on stock photography websites such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Focus on niche subjects or trending topics to stand out in a competitive market. Conclusion: building a massive following isn't a prerequisite for making money online. By leveraging freelancing, online marketplaces, surveys, microtasks, and content creation, you can generate income and gradually grow your online presence. Stay proactive, continually refine your skills, and explore new opportunities to maximize your earning potential in the digital realm.